But I'll tell you what. Whoa, don't stand too close to that thing, that's for sure. I'll tell you what. I ain't gonna quit till it's all done. I gave up everything for this. I live in a fire truck. And if you want to come join us, you're going to be having to willing to give up everything too. Because that's what it's going to take. I don't do this. I don't speak in front of people. I'll come up here and sing in front of y'all and screw up a real good song. But I don't do what I'm doing now. And I've been worried about it the whole time, but here we go.
Good.
I don't know really what else to say. Show up. We need everybody. All you American patriots out there, all on the live streams, sitting on the couch watching this, come on out. We got plenty of parking spots.
Woo!
It's really all I got, guys. I'm just a lazy old truck driver. And I really don't know what else to say, but God bless America, and I'm here to say that I am here to stay until this movement is successful.